Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, April the 14th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left, binary and tectonic with 4 stars, and it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku number 6274. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? I do not know. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 4 5s, alright, 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there, alright. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Insufficient information. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 186. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 168. 168. So the 749, 749. Alright. 7. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 5, okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 294. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 2 8. 1 2 8, 1 2 8, 1 2 8, and look, we have 2 and 8 in the first column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no, last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Oh, apologies. Alright, 1 1 1. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2 2 2 2, need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this column, one of the missing numbers is 2, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box, so the 2 could be here, here or there in this column, here, here or there. You see another 2 in this row, no 2 there, here 2 in the row below, no 2 there, so the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2 2 2 2. Alright, 3 4 6 9 4 6 9 4 6 9 4 6 9. Wow 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Come on. 9 9 6 6 6 7 7 7. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Well, 9 9 9. 8 8 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in that box, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, no only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 6 then. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. 1 1 1 1. Okay. 6 6. 9 9. Need a 3. Need a 7. 4 4 4 4. 4. Yeah. 6 6 6. I'm thinking. 3 8 9. 9 Come on. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 9 in the 3. No 7 here, no 7. 7 7. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 7 in that box. So in this big square, the 7 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The only two places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7. Alright. Okay. No 9 here. No 9 here. 9, 9, 9. Yeah. 3. 1, 6, and 9. 6 and 9. 1. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left for 1 should be there. So now we have 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Here we have a 6 and a 9 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. 9. 1, 1. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be here. 11 minutes already passed. Alright. 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, here, or there. 6 in the first column, 6 in one of these 3 boxes. In the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this one, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 9 in this third column, the 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 6, 7, and the 4 are missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2, the 4, 2, the 4. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. Missing here 3, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3. 1 box left in this row, last row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now. In this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no need to place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are not used. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, and the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So here can be 6. 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have 4 and 6 in this box. No 4 and 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and 6, 4 and 6, so 1 digit left. In this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 and the 4, we have a 4 now in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Well, 2 stars puzzle, although it has 1 less printed digit than the previous Sudoku. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. By the way, and a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.